In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's new AI features. 5 minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. Enter your work email address, click Continue, and then type your password to log in. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow the prompts you see on screen. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana homepage, which shows your recent work and gives you quick access to create something new. Look toward the top of the screen and select Create, then choose Project. You can pick from a library of templates or start with a blank project. Templates are great if you want structure based on common workflows like product launches or marketing campaigns, while a blank project gives you full control. Give your project a clear, action-oriented name so your team instantly understands its purpose. Next, choose Set Up with Asana AI. This is where the magic happens. The AI uses your project context to propose a structure for you. Use the fields on screen to describe what you're trying to achieve in a sentence or two. Concise prompts tend to generate clearer results. When you're ready, click Generate Preview. Asana will show you a draft project with suggested sections, tasks, and timing. Review what it creates, adjust anything that doesn't fit, and then select Create Project to finalize it. Inside the project, you can use Asana AI to plan your tasks. Open a task or the AI panel and ask it to outline the steps required to reach your goal. This is especially helpful when you know the outcome, but need help breaking it down. If a task feels too big, ask the AI to suggest subtasks. It will propose a logical sequence that you can accept as is or tailor to your team's process. Asana AI can also suggest forms and rules. Forms help standardize how requests come in, reducing back and forth and missing details. Rules automate busy work. Think auto-assigning tasks, moving items between sections, or setting due dates when fields change. Review the suggestions, keep what aligns with your workflow, and skip anything that doesn't add value. When it's time to communicate, use Smart Chat to craft responses in comments. You can ask it to rewrite for clarity, adjust tone, or summarize long threads so everyone stays on the same page. And for broader project communication, let the AI draft updates. It can compile recent activity into a clear status note you can edit before posting. That's it. You've seen how to log in, create a project with AI, and use planning, automation, and communication features to work smarter in Asana.